Hello guys, let's make these all-time favorite, everyone's favorite rum and raisins chocolate. So let's add a little bit booze in your chocolates. So let's begin. So take 1/4 cup of raisins. I'm taking black raisins and remove any impurities if it's there. And now take a glass or ceramic mug or a cup, put all your raisins in the cup and take half a cup of rum. You can choose any rum of your choice, or you can take red wine also. So add half cup of rum into the raisins and cover it with a cling wrap and soak it for around 12 hours so that all your raisins get plumped up. Raisins soak rum and they become so flavorful. Okay, if you don't use rum, you can soak these in orange juice also, they will be fine. So after 12 hours just remove the cling wrap and see they become a little bigger in size because they soak the rum liquid and they are infused with the flavor of rum. So now the raisins become rum and raisins. So take another cup and drain all the excess liquid, excess rum, because we don't want to add any kind of liquid in our chocolate because the liquid will ruin our chocolate. So before moving on, please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. So all the liquid is drained, so leave it aside till our next step. So take 200 grams of chocolate compound. You can use dark chocolate compound, or you can use white compound, or you can use milk compound, or you can use combination of all three or combination of any two. But in this video I am taking only the dark compound because dark compound is little bitter in taste. White and milk are a little sweeter. That's why I am choosing only the dark one. So I am taking 200 grams of dark chocolate compound, and now let's chop it in small pieces so that melting will become easy, and seal the remaining pack and put it in the airtight container till further use. So now let's chop the chocolate compound. Whatever bowl you take, please make sure it is clean and water content should not be available in your bowl. It should be dried. The bowl should be dry. So we have chopped and now we are melting in microwave. You can use double boiler method also. So with the intervals of 30 seconds, melt the chocolate in microwave. After every 30 seconds, mix chocolate and again put it in microwave. And after 1 minute, I think it's done. Let's mix it and remove all the lumps or pieces. So now I'm taking silicone mold. You can take any kind of mold you want, or if you don't have any mold, you can use ice trays. That will be also fine. So fill the molds halfway because we have to add our raisins also in it. So make sure to fill only till half. So now tap it a little bit and add 2 or 3 raisins according to the space in the molds. 2-3 soaked raisins in it, in every cabinet or every section, and put all the the raisins like this, and now fill the other half with the chocolate. Cover all the raisins with chocolate. Like this, and tap it a little bit. Put on 5 to 10 minutes on countertop, and then put it in a refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes so that it will set completely. So this rum which we get after draining the raisins, you can have it. So our chocolates are set, demolded, and remove the extra chocolate if there is lying on any of the chocolates with using knife. So these rums and raisin chocolates are very good for any kind of festive season, or you can gift them to elders. This is really good option for gifting ideas. So you can make for yourself, or you can just cover them in a foil paper and gift it to your loved ones. And make sure, please don't give it to kids. These chocolates are not made for kids. So our chocolates are ready. Excess chocolate is removed. They look so shiny, and they are so tasty also. So these are ready to serve, ready to enjoy. So make these chocolates and share your experiences with me, how you like them. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And you can use, for this you can use any kind of rum or red wine of your choice. So, but see this is looking so nice. The chocolate is so gooey inside and crunchy from outside. The raisins are so full of flavors, and it gives a little bit of booze and a hint of rum into your mouth. Tastes so amazing. So if you like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and click on all so that you will get all the notifications. Signing off. Bye from